The investigation continues this evening into that deadly engine failure on a Southwest Airlines plane today. One person was killed, at least 7 injured. Channel 3's Jennifer Ah has the latest and spoke with a legal expert who expects lawsuits will be filed. Jennifer, good evening.
Good evening, Russ. Yes, he does. He says he's dealt with numerous plane crashes and accidents like this, and even though the passengers don't have any physical injuries, they will most likely be left with emotional ones. A terrified Dallas man blowing into an oxygen mask.
I've seen firsthand what a near-death experience could do to someone.
You can see the shattered window where a shrapnel from an exploding jet engine crashed through. Southwest said a Boeing 737 left New York this morning, heading to Dallas. But an engine failure forced an emergency landing in Philadelphia.
CFM 56-7B has been in service since 1997. And generally speaking, it has a very, very good history.
Jamie Lebovitz, an aviation expert and partner at the Nurenberg Paris law firm, says Southwest Airlines, General Electric, a French company who manufactured the engine, and Boeing, who manufactured the aircraft, could face lawsuits. The woman who died in the accident, Jennifer Riordan, was from New Mexico, and Lebovitz says other passengers who survived are most likely from other states, which have different rules.
Ohio law recognizes a claim for emotional or psychic injuries, whereas some jurisdictions you can't recover for emotional distress or post-traumatic stress disorder unless you are also physically injured.
Despite the numerous plane accident cases Lebovitz has personally covered, he wants to remind people that aviation malfunctions are rare.
And I'm flying out tomorrow, and I have no second thoughts about it.
Now, Lebovitz says in most aviation cases, even those who aren't physically hurt have symptoms of PTSD. And he says most of the time a settlement is reached, but about 10% of cases do make it to trial. In the studio, I'm Jennifer Ah, Channel 3 News.
Okay, Jennifer, thank you.